In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure a Notion study system. Let's jump right in. Start by clicking Add New, and then click Empty Page to create a brand new page in your workspace. This blank page is where your entire study hub will live. Next, click the page title field at the very top of the new page. Go ahead and type the name you want to give your study hub. Take your time and make sure the title reflects what this page is going to be used for. Now click the blank body area just under the title. Once your cursor is active there, type /database. A slash menu will appear with several database options. From the database section of that menu, select Table View. If Notion asks you for a data source, click New Database to create a fresh one from scratch. Click the database title shown at the top of the table. Type in the database name you want to use. This will be the main label for your task list, so choose something clear and meaningful. Now we'll set up your properties. Look to the right of the last column in the table and click the plus property button. A small panel will open. Enter a name for the new property. Then choose the property type that fits the kind of data you want to store. For example, you might choose text, date, status, or select depending on what this column needs to hold. We're going to repeat this process for every property you need. Click plus property again, enter another property name, and select the desired property type from the list. Keep going, adding one property at a time, naming each one, and picking the matching type, until all of your required properties are in place. With the structure ready, let's add your first task. Click the first empty cell in the very first row. Enter a task name of your choice. Once you've typed it in, move across to the next cell in the same row and enter a value. If Notion prompts you, press Enter to create that option so it gets saved as a reusable tag. Continue moving across the row. In the next cell, enter another value, and again press Enter to create the option if Notion asks you to. Then jump to the Date field. Open the Date picker and choose a due date for this task. Finally, click into the Status field and select the appropriate status that matches where this task currently stands. Now we'll arrange how the data is displayed. Click the Database Settings menu in the top right corner of the database. Under View Settings, select Sort. From the options that appear, choose the property you want to sort your tasks by. If Notion prompts you for a sort direction, select Ascending, so your entries are ordered from earliest to latest. Let's add a second view to see things differently. Look above the table for the Database View tabs and click the plus icon next to them. From the list of view types, select Board. A field will appear asking you to enter a name for the new view. Type in the name you'd like for this board view, and then click Done to save it. Once your board view is open, click the Database Settings menu again, this time for the new view. Under View Settings, select Group. From the property list, choose the property you want to use for grouping your cards, such as status or category. Here's what you've built. Your page now contains a complete task database with multiple properties to help you organize your work. The table view is arranged by the date field you selected, giving you a clean chronological list. The board view displays the same tasks as cards, grouped by their current status, which gives you a clear visual snapshot of what's in progress and what's coming up next. That's the full setup for your Notion study system, with both a structured table and a visual board working together to keep your tasks organized from one central hub.